Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by unlocking the pad and opening settings. This gets you where Wallpaper's live. Once in settings, tap Wallpaper and Style or Home Screen settings depending on your MIUI build. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi if you plan to download new images. Now choose whether to use a system wallpaper, a live wallpaper, or an image from gallery. This step narrows options so you can quickly select the source and avoid jumping between apps later. Now pick the image source and select the photo you want. You can crop and reposition the image with pinch and drag. Make sure to use the correct aspect ratio. Xiaomi Pad 7 favors 16:10 for full screen fit. Once positioned, tap Preview to view it on home and lock screens. This shows parallax and scaling behavior. If the crop looks off, adjust again until important parts aren't cut off. When satisfied, decide whether to apply to home, lock, or both so layout remains consistent. Finish by tapping Set or Apply and confirm whether it should appear on the home screen, lock screen, or both. Once done, exit settings and swipe to check your new wallpaper. If it doesn't update, force close or restart the launcher via Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow See All Apps, right arrow Launcher, and tap Force Stop, then reopen Home. If problems persist, clear launcher cache or reboot the pad. That usually resolves stubborn display or scaling issues, so your wallpaper shows correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.